Be honest. Are you still a software or DevOps engineer who uses AI but doesn't actually build it because that gap? It's getting expensive in 2026. I see brilliant software and DevOps engineers every day uses Kubernetes code cloud, but when it comes to LLMs, agents, GPUs, they're stuck watching tutorials. So I built something different. This is a 4-month hands-on journey to go from software or DevOps engineer to generative AI engineer. You don't start with theory, you start with real GPUs, real code, real systems, no passive videos, no Hello World AI projects. You build RAG pipelines, AI agents, fine-tuning workflows, and even a small language model from scratch. New batches start every month, live weekend sessions, limited seats, because real learning doesn't scale infinitely. If 2026 is the year you stop using AI and start building it, this is for you. Links in the description. Don't wait.
Now move to question number 2. In the context of AI and machine learning, what is the process called when an AI model makes predictions based on the data on which it has been trained? Option A, training. Option B, evaluation. Option C, inference. Option D, validation. As with question 1, the first step is to understand the purpose of each method and then eliminate one that doesn't fit. In this case, know the specific definitions of terms in AI and ML contexts. Inference specifically refers to prediction after training, while the others are related but distinct phases of the model building process. Discard options that describe other stages of the AI process, such as training, evaluation, or validation, since they do not directly involve the act of making predictions. Now match the term to the process. Consider what each term represents in the AI lifecycle. If the question is about making predictions after training, inference is the correct term. Let's take a look at each option one by one. Option A, training. Training is the process where the model learns from a given dataset by adjusting its parameters. This is where the model learns the relationships between the input data and the output labels. However, training is not the process of making predictions. Rather, it is the phase where the model is being prepared to make predictions. Option B, evaluation. Evaluation is the process of assessing how well a trained model performs on a separate dataset, often a test set, to gauge its accuracy and effectiveness. While related to predictions, evaluation is not the process of making predictions itself, but rather a step to measure the model's performance. Option C, inference, is correct because in AI and machine learning, inference refers to the process of making predictions or decisions based on a trained model. After the model has been trained, it uses what it has learned to make predictions on new data. This application of the model to new data is known as inference. Option D, validation. Validation refers to the process of tuning the model using a validation dataset during training to prevent overfitting. It helps in fine-tuning the model, but does not involve making predictions on new data. Validation is a part of the model's training process, but is not the same as inference. By using this approach, you can confidently determine that C, inference, is the correct answer.